Social learning theory suggests we learn by observing other people and emulating their behaviors. The process begins with attention. We pay attention to what someone else is doing. Then we encode the important aspects of that behavior in our memory so that we can recall it later. During an appropriate time, we then reproduce that behavior and wait for either positive or negative consequences, sometimes both. If other people respond well to our behavior, then we will be more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. If people don't respond very well, we make a mental note of it and may not replicate that behavior in that situation ever again. Learning is also influenced by self-efficacy, by a person's beliefs about whether they can do something and do it well. To enhance trainees' beliefs about their capabilities, try some of these strategies. Verbal persuasion is basically words of encouragement, talking to people about their strengths. We can point out the similarities between the new task and a task that trainees have already mastered. We call this logical verification. If they can master that task, then they can master this task. By modeling, we show trainees how to perform a task or procedure, which gives them confidence that they know what they are doing and can replicate those behaviors. We can remind people of their previous accomplishments and give them opportunities to create small wins along the way.